Today, let's draw a cute Halloween bat, spooky and fun. Start with the outline of the bat. Big ears, round body, and wide wings. Color the head and body with soft gray. Keep it smooth and even. Next, color the wings a darker gray to make them stand out. Add gentle shading on one side with darker tones to make the bat look round and fluffy. Fill the inside of the ears with soft pink. Great job! You've drawn a friendly Halloween bat to light up the spooky night. Even in the darkest night, a little smile can shine like magic.